Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel, and here we are. It is Pantry Cooking for Two Tuesday on Wednesday, because clear back on Saturday I just have been a day behind. So Saturday Happenings happened on Saturday and Pantry Cooking for Two is happening today, which is Wednesday, but that's only because yesterday was our 42nd anniversary and we needed to celebrate that, and I wasn't cooking. But I'm cooking tonight. And when I talk about Pantry Cooking for Two, I make meals that aren't so overwhelming that you have so much left over. And I try to pull from the pantry, from the freezer, from the fridge. But for this one, I'm using leftovers because I had enough leftovers. Sometimes when I make something, I'll make enough where it's like one set of leftovers. It's not like when you make a big casserole and you have like leftovers for days. So in this container, what I have is I have chili that I made, and I used my home canned chili base. I used a can of kidney beans. I used about a half a pound of hamburger. I used a can of stewed tomatoes, a home canned jar of stewed tomatoes. And I don't know, I had a little can of the V8. And I just put all that in there and let it get hot, and it made really good chili. So that was home canned pizza base, home canned kidney beans, home canned tomatoes, all together with half a pound of hamburger and a little thing of V8, just because I had it. And I thought, I'm going to put it in there. So I've got this container of chili left. I don't feel like eating chili, but I need to do something with it. So I still have half a pack of rigatoni pasta. So I'm going to cook the pasta. I'm going to mix the chili with it, and we're going to have like a chili mac right here with the leftovers. I've got leftover green beans that I'm going to heat up and serve with it, and maybe some salad if I feel like it. And oftentimes it depends on how much I have left over as to how many different things I have. So if this was just a small amount, I'd have a lot more salad and green beans. But if it's enough, I probably don't need something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and boil the noodles, and then I will come back, or the pasta, and I will come back and put it all together and show you how I make it. So I've got the pasta boiled. So there you have it. Now I'm just going to take the chili and put it in there. And who doesn't love chili mac? This is, sometimes I'll just look at the leftovers, which if I serve them exactly as they were cooked, I call them reruns because it's the same thing over. If I make something out of them, then they're leftovers. So now there we have the chili mac. I'm going to put this on the stove so that the chili gets all nice and hot and heated up. And then with the other half of the hamburger that I took out, half of it went to the chili. The other half went to manwich. I made like the manwich burger sandwiches. And I've got a couple of these onion buns left over. So I'm going to take those and toast them and then put some butter and a little bit of the Johnny's garlic spread on there. So it's delicious. So let me get this heated. Let me get those toasted, and I'll come back to you. All right, here we are. This is Brian's plate, and look at there. It looks so good, and it smells good, and I could even sprinkle some cheddar cheese on there, or maybe some Monterey Jack cheese, or whatever you want on there. But a couple pieces of garlic toast made from the leftover onion buns, some leftover in the freezer green beans, leftover pasta that I had half a bag of, and leftover chili, and I made this great meal. So there you have it. A Pantry Cooking for Two from leftovers. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.